Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to fix fan error 104. This is a connection error which can be caused by a bunch of things. First, mainly is if you have unstable connection or extremely low like internet speed or a bad Valorant launch, which is like it drags on forever, maybe your drive failed to load properly or something. Or it could be like Valorant Vanguard problems. So the first thing you want to do is check your internet if it's working properly. Type in fast.com and see if you have if your network is working properly, it's not throttling. Once you've done this, you can type in ping test and see if I usually use this one, pingtest.net, and then see if you have any sudden hiccups. If it goes over 100 ms, then you have a problem. If it's depending actually where you live and which server you're trying to connect. But in here it says where it's connecting, the average, the median, etc. Usually the servers in here are in Germany for LOL and Valorant, and then depending on your location, I don't know, your average ping when you play. But yeah, if it's over 100 or more, then you have internet connection problem. If you're using Wi-Fi, make sure it's not too far away. You have a full bar if it's possible. If you're using LAN, check if your cable is damaged maybe, or somebody moved it or something, so it got unstuck. You can also restart your router or plug it out of your motherboard and then plug it back in firmly. Maybe that helps. The next thing you can try is go to command prompt, run it as an administrator, and then see which is better ping for your PC. Type in ping 1.1.1.1 and then let it do its tasks. And here, if it says you have lost packets, then it's on your IP side usually. And then you can also type in ping 8.8.8.8, and then you can also check which of these, either 8.8 or 1.1 is faster, and then you should use that DNS for your connection. And to change it, here, look at the average, and whichever is lower, you use that one. And then you go to network connections. Once in here, double tap on Ethernet or Wi-Fi if you're connected, and then properties, and then look for IPT4. Double click on it, and in here, click use following DNS server, and then type in here 1.1.1.1 if you have that as a lower ping, and then 1.0.0.1 in the second row. If the 8.8.8.8 is better, use that one, and the alternative is 8.8.4.4. The one is Google and the other one is Cloudflare, so whichever works better for you. And then you can close this. So the next thing you can try is checking if the Valorant Vanguard has stopped. So type in open task manager, type in Vanguard. If it's in here, then it's fine. If you don't see it here, that's close. So to open it, you go to search, type in run. And in run, you type in services.msc. You open that. It will open a window. In here, you click on anything once, and then press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Double click on it, and if it says anything other than automatic, switch it to automatic. If it's on delayed start, move it to automatic, and then click start, apply, okay. After you've done that, you have to restart your PC, and then it will work. And the last thing you can try is reinstalling Vanguard. You go to add or remove programs and type in here Vanguard. Once in here, type in uninstall, and then click uninstall and fully uninstall it, and then reinstall it. And once you've reinstalled it, you have to restart your PC again, and then it should work properly. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully it helped you guys. Let me know down in the comments, like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.